everyone, it's Pam with Organizer AZ 911. In this video, I want to talk about the 3 facts of life that can affect organization. Now, like it or not, there are things that happen in our life that can throw our otherwise organized systems in our homes totally out of whack. I have that happen so many times with clients. They call me and they go, I don't know why this used to be organized and suddenly it's just a hot mess. And that's usually because one of 3 things has happened. The first one I want to talk about are events that happen in your life. Now, these will be something like getting married or getting divorced, a death in the family, a new job, maybe you're having children, or suddenly there's grandchildren. These are major life events that can take otherwise organized systems that worked in the past and kind of flip them upside down. Why? Because sometimes they change our daily routines. Sometimes they change our surroundings. So what worked in the past may not be able to work in your new situation. The second one I want to talk about is a personality change. Let's face it, as we get older, our personality does change. The person we were in our 20s is vastly different than the person we are in our 40s. You know, when we're in our 20s, we might want to spend more evenings out with friends, whether it be at restaurants or bars, or maybe we want to travel. We have the freedom to do that when we're in our 20s. As we approach our 30s or maybe our 40s, maybe we don't want to go out as much at night. Maybe we want to calmer, maybe inviting friends into our homes more often, or maybe kids are involved at that point, so we're not traveling as much as we used to. So our personality and our preferences might change drastically from 20 to 40, and that will often throw the organized systems you had in place into disarray. So keep that in mind and adjust those systems to match what's happening in your life at the present time. And the third thing I want to talk about is natural growth. What I mean by that is things that you enjoyed in the past may not be as enjoyable now. This is especially true with hobbies. I've seen so many clients where they used to be passionate about doing one type of hobby, whether it be crafts or a sport or something like that, and then years later, their tastes change. They no longer find that as fun as they used to, and they're off doing something else. Now they're taking on photography or something like that. So we kind of naturally evolve through life, and our organized systems need to be tweaked to adjust to those little evolutions we go through in life, where things that were important to us in the past are no longer important to us now. So the takeaway I want to offer in this video is that pretty much organization is never done. It is a constantly evolving process in our lives. So you want to be sure that you update your organized systems to match what's happening in your life currently. Okay? I hope this tip helped. If it did, please give it a big old thumbs up. Poke that like button below. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ 911. Thanks for watching. Video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.